I'll be showing you the demo part and the best part of this foam mattress. So you can see now. So see, if you step here, it comes originally to its original position instantly. Just see, even if you step or you dance, it comes back to its original position instantly. And here you can see I have placed a water bottle. So even I am jumping in and around it and the water bottle doesn't fall. So in case, suppose while you are drinking some coffee or tea, you can place the cup and you can aramse sit, and without causing any disturbances. The cup is also not causing you any disturbances. You are also not causing any disturbances to the cup. Even if somebody is sleeping next to you, probably there will be no problem. See, I am literally dancing in and around the bottle. Hello guys, welcome to the channel or आज मैं कर रही हूँ the most waited vlog for me. I'll be unboxing this 12 Comfort foam mattress. I'm very excited and I'm unboxing this with you guys. So we'll unbox here. So you can see guys, it is such a nice way they have packed it and they have delivered to the doorstep. And here is a bag sort of. You can see it's a bag sort of Wakefield. It is written here. And so we'll be doing the unboxing. I'm very excited guys. So let's go. So here is the zip. You can see. So guys, you can see when I unbox, the first thing I got here is probably, yes, this is the instruction guide, how you have to do the unboxing. So they have given here. So you can read these instructions and then you can unbox it. So anyways, we'll keep it here. Yes, see, it's like a birthday cake cutting na. So with this only we are supposed to means unbox it. You are not supposed to use any scissors or you are not supposed to use any sort of knife or anything which is available at home. You are supposed to use only this birthday cake cutting. So let's go. So one more thing is that, yes, this is the warranty guys. The warranty information card. And guys, this information and this, the warranty, it's of 7 years warranty. So anyways, we'll unbox it first. Super excited. Which I will unbox it with this knife. So friends, here it goes. So you are supposed to do it only with this knife. Okay, not knife, this birthday cake wala. Don't use any sort of, I repeat, don't use any sort of knife or something, because everybody gets excited, and once you are excited and once you try to do it, it might damage your mattress. So it's better that we go slow and we follow the instructions. So let's go here. I'm very slow in this because I don't want to make any sort of damage to my mattress. Compressed one, now it's, so now I have to align it. So guys, you can see I have to do some adjustment, and it is 6-inch height, so not very heavy. So So guys, my unboxing is over and it is exactly adjusted to my bed which I wanted. You can see there is no extra or something. It is queen bed and I had chosen 78 into 60. Even the mattress is 78 into 60 and the inches are 6 inch. Actually I should leave it 2 hours, but I have no patience and I just have to vlog with you guys because I'm so happy because the product is too good, trust me guys. And the name, as it tells you, dual comfort. So there are two sides. So one is the very soft, which I have kept it because I love the softy one, and down you have the little bit hard one. Little bit, it's not that so hard or something, just medium soft. So guys, so you can see this is a versatile mattress. Like you have the two sides, one is the very soft side and the other one is medium soft. So the versatile thing about this mattress is it suits anyone according to your preference. So if you want very soft, you can take it. So you can see I have chosen the very soft one. So you can see the bouncy effect of it. Like even if you jump, it jumps accordingly, but I'm not supposed to do it. I'll do it after 2 hours. And obviously the best part which I felt about this mattress is 100 days free trial. Guys, can you believe it? 100 days free trial, which is never possible in local market. Even after 99th day, I feel that this mattress is not okay. I have the option to return even on the 99th day. So that is the very best part of it. And here you can see it's a zippered one. So guys, see here. So here is the zippered one. So you can remove this. So guys, you can see here is the zippered one. So this is zippered cover. The cover is high premium quality fabric. You can see the fabric. It's too good and it's washable also. It's easily washable when you need it. So you can see here is the zip. So entire one you can remove it if anytime you want to wash it. So this is the one. So here you can see the 7 layer. Here it comes with a 7 layer resilience foam which gives you the best comfort of sleep. Unboxing, you can see it's so pretty and it's well adjusted to the bed of mine which I required. So my bed was queen bed and this mattress is also queen bed of the same size and exactly adjusted. You can see there is no extra or something. So the best part which I loved about this mattress is it gives you 100 days free trial. That means even after 99th day I feel that this is not worthy or this is not okay, I have the option to return back, but which I will not do because it's too pretty and too worthy of my cash or amount which I have paid. So this is the dual comfort mattress, and the most interesting part about it is it has the two sides. One is the base foam, one is the memory foam. If you want the very soft side, which I have chosen, you can choose. The other one is down. If you want, you can upside down it according to your preferences. You can see the bouncy effect which I love the most. And next I'll be showing you the zippered cover. Okay, so zippered cover is nothing but, see, you have a zip. The zip is also of very good quality. You can see it is not that local market one. It's very high good quality one. So anyways, so you can remove this in such a way. So I'll just remove and show you guys. So you can see this. So it's the entire one. If you want, you can remove this and you can wash it. And the fabric is also of a high premium quality fabric. If you want, you can wash it. And even after washing also, it won't cause any damage or something. It is easily washable. So guys, here I'll show you the 7 layer high resilience foam which will give you high comfort while sleeping. That is why it is the most versatile mattress which gives you dual comfort. So here you can see both the parts here. So actually I'm supposed to keep for another 2 hours so that it comes to more height. So we will leave it for another 2 hours and definitely the user review will be there after 100 days. So I'll just share with you how I felt, how it is. Absolutely I'm in love with this. There is no doubt about this. So here I'll just put it back and I'll just show you guys. This is so pretty one. So yes, you can see this. It gives you the most bouncy effect. So people with any body pain or something when you are tired from office or something, you will definitely feel, you will not feel any such type of tired and it will give you a sound sleep. Hopefully you have enjoyed this vlog. अगर इस वीडियो में कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो, so please put a like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye guys, we'll see you after 100 days.